Every document with pictures and tables needs numbered captions. Let's see how to create them. Start by selecting the image, chart, or illustration that needs a caption. Go to the References tab and choose Insert Caption. In the Caption dialog box, choose the label. For photos, charts, maps, and diagrams, choose Figure. For position, choose what your style guide requires. Now type the caption text after the automatic label and number. Do not delete the automatic number and type it manually. That number is a field, and it is what allows Word to renumber captions later. Choose OK, and the caption appears below the figure. Now, let's add a caption to a table. The process is almost the same, but there are two important differences: the label and the position. Go back to References, then choose Insert Caption. The Caption dialog box opens again. This time, choose Table as the label. For tables, Word usually places the caption above the selected item, which is common in professional reports, research papers, and technical documents. Type the caption text after the automatic label and number. Choose OK. Figure numbering and table numbering are separate, so Figure 1 and Table 1 can both appear in the same document. To create a custom label, open Insert Caption and choose New Label. For example, we can create the shorter label Fig. Use this only when the document style guide allows it. To change the numbering style, choose Numbering. Here we can use regular numbers, letters, or Roman numerals. For longer reports, we can include chapter numbers, such as Figure 1-1. For that to work correctly, the chapter headings must use Word's heading styles. If captions look out of order after moving or deleting content, update the fields instead of typing over the numbers. Now let's do the same kind of caption work easier and faster with OnStyle. For a figure, select the figure, then use Insert Figure Title. Depending on the doc config, OnStyle can offer more than one approved format. For example, you can choose a regular figure caption or a figure caption that includes the Level 1 heading number before the figure number. This inserts a properly numbered figure title using the selected standard caption format. These figure caption formats are provided for demonstration purposes. In the Enterprise Edition, however, the list can be extended with company-specific formats. For a table, follow the same steps. Select the table, then use Insert Table Title. As with figures, if multiple table title formats are available, select the appropriate one and enter the caption text in the dialog. You can select a regular table caption or a table caption that includes the Level 1 heading number before the table number. OnStyle creates a properly numbered title, then places and formats it according to the assigned doc config. OnStyle is a Word add-in for documents that need predefined company or industry formatting rules. OnStyle does not only insert titles, but it also helps check whether captions follow the required structure. Run the dedicated validation to check the document for any remaining caption issues. In the Inspection Results pane, review any caption-related issues. OnStyle can identify a wide range of caption-related problems and provides built-in corrections for many of them. Let's see some of the most common examples. Incorrect caption field code means that the caption may look normal, but the automatic numbering behind it is not using the expected Word field code. This can lead to inconsistent figure or table numbering, especially after the document is updated. Instead of manually editing the number, the safer fix is to remove the incorrect caption and create a new one with OnStyle, so the caption uses the correct field structure. Invalid caption label text means the caption is using a label that does not match the required document standard. For example, a figure caption may use image, fig or figures when the required label is figure. The caption may still look understandable to a reader, but it can cause problems with validation, cross-references, and lists of figures or tables. After checking whether an existing caption is correctly built, OnStyle can also check whether captions are missing, misplaced, or no longer connected to the right figure or table. Missing caption identifies a figure or table that does not have a caption in the position expected by the doc config. Use Insert Caption to add the missing title according to the configured format. Orphan caption identifies a caption that does not have a corresponding figure or table in the expected position. Use Remove Text to delete the caption if it is no longer needed. Empty caption identifies a caption that has no descriptive title text. Add the missing text manually, or remove the caption if it is not needed. That is how to add figure and table captions in Microsoft Word, update caption numbering, and use OnStyle when a document needs stricter caption control. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now, meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now